together with the authority here, we have a huge logistic challenge, moving this giant elephant with his transport box, about 9 tons, to move it within the metropole of Karachi, which is over 30 million citizens. It's a huge challenge. A lot of preparation and training were done in the last weeks here to be ready for this day. Madhubala was very, I will say, ready, active. She was excited in the morning, but now she is very quiet. Dr. Frank administered here the sedative, and now she is quiet. So far, so good. Madhubala is very cooperative elephant at the moment with us.
Finally, in the morning, we have short time that we bring her in. We secure her with chains in the container that she not hurt herself or something like that. Yes, we have loaded, and she is on a truck. We secure the container on the truck, and then we bring her to the safari park. For her, that is she stay more than 1.5 years here alone in the Karachi Zoo, and for her, that is an elephant is a social animal, and it's good when she meet her sisters in the safari park.